Have you ever found yourself in a situation where a crucial call comes in, but you're not able to answer it? Or maybe you've missed important messages because you're busy with other tasks. Well, today we're going to dive into a powerful tool that can solve these problems and more: RingCentral. Imagine having a phone system that's not just a phone, but a versatile communication hub that lets you make and receive calls from anywhere, anytime. That's the beauty of RingCentral. It's a cloud-based communication platform that integrates phone, messaging, and meetings into one seamless experience. Getting started with RingCentral. Setting up your account. The first step is to create a RingCentral account. It's a simple process that involves providing some basic information. Once your account is set up, you'll be ready to start exploring the platform's features. Downloading the app. RingCentral offers apps for both iOS and Android devices. Download the app and sign in using your account credentials. Making and receiving calls. Dialing a number. To make a call, simply open the RingCentral app and tap on the phone icon. Enter the number you want to call and tap on the call button. Answering calls. When you receive a call, you'll see a notification on your device. Tap on the notification to answer the call. Call features. RingCentral offers a variety of call features, including call forwarding, voicemail, call waiting, and conference calling. These features can be easily accessed and configured within the app settings. Using RingCentral for business. Team collaboration. If you're using RingCentral for business, you can create teams and add members to them. This allows for easy communication and collaboration within your organization. Call routing. RingCentral's call routing feature allows you to set up rules for how incoming calls are handled. For example, you can create a rule that forwards calls to your voicemail after hours. Analytics and reporting. RingCentral provides detailed analytics and reporting on your call activity. This information can be used to track performance, identify trends, and improve your communication strategy. Integrating with other tools. CRM integration. RingCentral integrates seamlessly with popular CRM platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot. This allows you to log calls, track customer interactions, and improve your sales and customer service processes. Calendar integration. You can also integrate RingCentral with your calendar app to schedule and manage calls. This helps you stay organized and avoid scheduling conflicts. Tips and tricks. Using call recording, RingCentral allows you to record calls for reference or compliance purposes. This feature can be easily enabled in the app settings. Customizing your ringtone. You can set a custom ringtone for incoming calls to make it easier to identify who's calling. Using call hold. If you need to put a caller on hold, simply tap on the hold button. You can resume the call at any time. With RingCentral, you can transform the way you communicate and collaborate. Whether you're an individual or a business, RingCentral offers a powerful and flexible solution that can help you stay connected and productive. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring RingCentral today and experience the future of communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.